So when you put your do-rag on, you just want to cover your nose, you just want to cover your face, and this is how you put the do-rag on. You know, you guys, but that's how you do it. No, I'm
Corey,
How you guys doing? It's the Boss Turn One back with another one. Sorry, you guys, I don't have much energy today because just got off work not too long ago and I'm just a little tired. But today I'm gonna be doing a washing style video, so I'm gonna be putting some shampoo in my hair and like brushing my hair and let you guys see how it turns out and let you see the results and the effects of washing styles. Washing styles are good to lay your hair down, especially like when you've been woofing and stuff like that. And woofing basically means you've been growing your hair out for a while to try to get your waves deeper and to get your connections good on your waves. Like right now, I've been trying to work on getting my connections good. Like I know I have a little fork over here, but washing styles work really good for that. Like just do a couple washing styles throughout the week, and they really help on your connections and stuff. So I feel like my wave's been getting better, but I have to do a washing style today. And if I end up cutting my hair, it will probably be tomorrow. I'm not gonna record me cutting my hair if I cut it tomorrow, but I'll show you guys the how it looks after I cut my hair. But today is just gonna be a washing style video. So I'm gonna show you guys this washing style I'm gonna get ready to do. So here we go. Also, you guys don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new. Appreciate you for the love. So you're gonna start off by wetting your hair. So you can either get cut or just whatever you wanna do, but you just wanna wet your hair really good. And sometimes I scramble wash. I might scramble wash today, I don't know, to get my scalp, get my hair wet. Make sure that you get your hair really nice and wet. And I'm gonna use this towel to put it over my neck because water dripping everywhere. And the type of shampoo I'm using, I ain't gonna lie, it's not the best shampoo. It kind of dries my hair out, but I'll show you guys a thing that I'm gonna do. Like once I do my second wash on my hair to make my hair not so dry after I wash it out. But it's Dove Men Care. It says shampoo and conditioner, but I would just say shampoo because you guys know like a lot of times these shampoo and conditioners, they really just seem like they're shampoo because your hair still feels dry afterwards. I'm gonna start off by, I guess I'll scramble wash today. And scramble wash basically means I'm not just gonna be going like this with my hair. I'm just gonna be going all over the place like this. And you wanna get that lather. You wanna get really good lather. A lot of wavers, they know what you're talking about when you say lather. I talk to a guy at my job all the time. There's this guy that I watch on YouTube. He always talks about lather. So you wanna get that good lather on your hair. You wanna get that good lather. But you're not gonna get good lather on your first rinse because your hair is kind of dirty. I mean, my stuff's kind of lathering right now because I guess my hair ain't too dirty, but I just want to get my scalp really clean. But I'm gonna scramble wash. This is gonna be my first wash, and then the second one is gonna be when I start brushing, and then my hair is really gonna lather up. So you just wanna, and don't be afraid, guys, because if your wave busting like mine, you ain't got to worry about losing your waves by doing scramble washes. I used to always worry about that. But if your waves is in there real good, you ain't going to lose them. So don't even worry about that. You're going to be all right. Not being cocky or nothing, but, when your waves banging and everything, you're going to be all right. But I'm going to go ahead and wash it. And, I would say viewer discretion advised. Your eyes may burn when you wash your hair too. Right now I can't see, guys, but while you get that towel, so I'm gonna wash this out. And my second one is gonna be when I just start brushing. Alright. Alright, here we go. Let's wash it out. Alright, so that's pretty decent, you guys. But now I'm gonna this is the second wash. Woo. I just didn't expect my eyes to be burned like this, you guys. Alright, but this is the second wash. So this time what you want to do, and like I said, your hair is going to be dry, but I'll show you guys a technique for that. For once you, you start brushing and everything, and once you wash it out to the point where your hair is not going to be as dry. But you just want to, now your hair should really lather up in your hair pretty good. See, now it's really lathering, because I washed all the products out of my hair, the oils out of my hair, and the dirt out of my hair that I had. So now my hair is really lathering. And like I said, you guys, this helps with your like connections and stuff too, if you want to get your connections good. because it helps stretch your hair out. And I got a hard brush that I'm gonna be using. It's a brush that I never used a whole lot because I don't really like hard brushes, but they help when you're like woofing and stuff. And that's the reason why I don't really use hard brushes, because I don't woof a whole lot. But lately I've been letting my hair grow just so I can, you know, get my connections in there really good. But as you guys can see, my hair is pretty good and lathered right now. Woo. And I just didn't expect my eyes to be burning like this. Alright, but now I'm gonna go in with the brush. I'm gonna wet it a little bit because these bristles are really hard. And this is a Annie brush, an Annie. I think I got this at Maxxi's, so it's just like an Annie. It's like a hard brush. But then you want to look in the mirror so you can see your angles. Get you a mirror, and then you just start brushing. So you just want to really go in there, and you want to get just a good. And you can see how my hair, all the waves, like doing. I mean, a lot of times you just want to do this for about a good 10-15 minutes. Make sure you're getting every side. Make sure you're getting your angles the right way, like this side. And just make sure you're getting your angles the right way. And the top. And then you can vertical brush. And then you see, for me, I know that my left side is where I have a nice fork at. So I try to just focus on this side a lot during my washing style. And just keep brushing straight down. Just trying to knock that fork out. As you can see, my hair is really nice and lathered. I got some good lather in there. You don't want to not have any lather up in there. Sometimes I'll pause just to, you know, throw that lather back on there. You gotta have that lather. There's this guy I watch on YouTube, I think his name's 360 Juice. But if you don't have that lather, he gonna let you know. You gotta make sure you have that lather, because when he rates one of your videos, you're gonna be like, man, where that lather at? Don't throw that do-rag on until you got that lather. So just make sure you got some good lather up in there. And just really just go in with your washing style. I mean, don't be afraid to get in there. You know what I mean? You want them waves to be perfected, you gotta do the brush work. Just make sure your angles are all good. You know, usually me, I go for about a good 10 minutes. But I feel like that's a pretty good brush. Like I said, mostly I just try to focus on the sides that I really know got forks on them. Like this left side, for sure. Alright, so I'll just pretty much just do that. Then I'll throw this a little bit more soap back up there really fast. And this is the last step that you do. Like I said, as long as you got that lather on your hair, as you guys can see, I got that lather. I got that lather in there, you guys. There's some lather in there. But this is another thing you can do. This right here is grapeseed oil. We don't have the bottle anymore. But so my hair won't be as dry when I rinse it out. I put a little bit of oil in my hair. And this is grapeseed oil. You can get this from any of your local store, I believe. You know what I'm saying? I'll just put some of that in there. All right. And then once you get some good amount of this oil up in there, it can be any kind of oil. You know, whatever kind of oil you guys like to use as well. But just as long as you use some type of oil, just to help your hair so it's not as dry when you rinse this out. And I used to put conditioner in my hair, but I feel like it's not as laid as what shampoo does. I mean, conditioner can lather, but not as much as shampoo. So this is the whole point of it. That's why you put the shampoo in your hair, so you can brush it and then throw your do-rag on, which I'll show you guys. This is the last step. Throw your do-rag on. You know, I got my Silky. Got this from Maxxi's. It's an older do-rag. I need to get me some newer ones. I don't got on any of those really super fancy ones like a lot of these wearers got on YouTube and stuff. But you put your do-rag on. You just want to cover your nose. You just want to cover your face. And this is how you put the do-rag on. You know, you guys, but that's how you do it. No, but you just put the do-rag on like this. fold it up. Fold it up a little bit. Get that part on. Pull the back of that down. Just want to make sure this thing's on here pretty tight. You know what I mean? Hit that little flap like that. Duke up. And you hold that. Make sure this is down. But you want that hair to be laid once it dries. And then you get this part. You do the same thing. Wrap that around. I'll fix the flaps later. I'm just gonna tie it. You just tie it right there. Do good. And then you can fix this little part right here. Throw that down. And this is the last step that I'm about to show you guys. And then I'll show you guys the results later once it dries. But you can roll this up too, that way it's not as wet when you're washing it out. Roll these little flaps up. Tuck them in. Looks pretty good to me. But now we're gonna wash it out. It can just be warm water. It doesn't really matter a whole lot. Just gonna wash it out with the do-rag on, because this was gonna keep it laid. Because if you were to just wash that shampoo out without a do-rag on, your hair's gonna be looking crazy. That's why you wanna have that do-rag on your head. Don't forget that part. All right. So let's wash this out. You guys follow me? All right.
Yeah. So you wanna wash this out. You wanna make sure it's all out of your hair too. You don't wanna just go down there for 5 seconds and just think that it's gonna be up out of your hair. You wanna make sure that it's out of your hair.
All right, now once you get it all washed out, you gotta put a little pressure. You gotta put a little pressure on the do-rag just to get all that excess water out of there. There's gonna be a little water trapped inside the do-rag. You can just kind of squeeze your head like a balloon. Don't squeeze it too hard, but you gotta throw the towel over your head a little bit. And then pretty much, after that, you can just let it air dry, or if you're in a hurry, like if you got somewhere to go and you just wanna hurry up, you can use a blow dryer. You can sit under a blow dryer, you can do a hand blow dryer. It's up to you, but usually I just let it dry. My hair doesn't take a whole long time to dry. It'll take maybe about an hour or so. Even with the do-rag on, especially if you got a silky do-rag, it dries a lot quicker. But I'll show you guys the results once this dries. I can't take it off too quick, because if I do, then it's not gonna look like nothing got done to it. So you have to make sure it dries. That's one thing about it. You have to make sure it dries, guys. Don't be impatient. All right, I'll be back. All right, how you guys doing? So it's the Boss Star back, and today is the next day of the day that I did my washing style. Because as you guys know, I washed my hair and I put my do-rag on with the oil and stuff in there, the grapeseed oil, and I washed it all out. And like I said, you guys, you want to let it dry. Usually I would wait a couple hours after I wash it and then take the do-rag off, but I ended up getting tired last night, so I went to sleep with the do-rag on, even though my hair was already dry. But I figured I'd just wait until the morning time to take it off. So here's the results of the washing style. So let's see how it turned out. I don't even know how it looks right now, but I'm pretty sure it looks pretty good. Kind of like wolfing right now, but today might be the day that I cut my hair as well too. I don't know. But let's see how we look. My hair kind of looks really matted, but this is how it looks. And usually when you'll have to brush your hair a little bit too, but it'd be really laid a lot of times. So this is the results, you guys, of the washing style. I need to brush it. Like I said, mind you guys, I'm woofing as well, so my hair is kind of. Try to get the good angles. There's the back. Yeah, I'll probably do a cut today, you guys. If not today, maybe tomorrow sometime. Just running a little late today. Hit the right side. But that's just a result of a washing style. If you get the washing style, it gets it really laid and throw your do-rag on. It really lays your hair down really nice. I might brush it a little bit, but that's the results of a washing style, guys. So I hope you guys like the video, and if I might post the cut video when I do it at towards the end or something, just to show you guys what it looks like. But that's it, you guys. Love you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're new, hit the notification so you won't miss any of my videos. Love you guys, and God bless.